Plain flour, 500 grams. Salt.as per taste. Carom seeds, 1 teaspoon. Ghee, 2 tablespoons. Combine the ingredients. Water, 300 milliliters. Combine well to make a dough. Roll out the dough as shown and divide into portions. Roll each portion into circular shape as shown. Cut from center to divide into 2 equal halves. Mashed boiled potatoes, 500 grams. Freshly chopped mint and coriander leaves plus green chillies. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1 tablespoon. Salt.as per taste. Combine all the ingredients. Apply water on the prepared dough, fill with prepared potatoes and fold as shown. Deep fry in preheated oil until light golden. Take out on kitchen towel paper and serve with favorite sauces.